warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning to everyone. We are joined here with our chief guest, Mr. Siraj, to discuss the deepening crisis of Bangladesh. The country is going in uncertain future. Our Mr. Siraj will explain the full details, snapshot of Bangladesh crisis, and including the key factors of driving the crisis and impact on the Bangladesh people. Mr. Siraj, what is the mainly reason behind the Bangladesh crisis?
As we know, the Bangladesh got independence in 1971. Before that, they were the part of Pakistan. They were known as East Pakistan. In 1971, due to some political reasons, they made several protests against the West Pakistan and the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, former the first chief minister of Bangladesh, gave the freedom for Bangladesh. His party, Awamil Party, is his party, made several protests against the West Pakistan and got independence in 1971. After independence, the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman made a system quota for the freedom fighters, up to 30% of government jobs for the freedom fighters. In 1975, in a military war, the Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and his family were killed. Only two of them left. One of them is our former minister, Sheikh Hasina. From 1975 to 1996, the Bangladesh was ruled by the military rule. In 1996, election was held and Sheikh Hasina won the election. After her won, she introduced the quota system again. Especially, she gave 30% for the freedom fighters. Also, their children also she gave the system quota. This made many protests in that time. In 2001 and to 2009, the Bangladesh was ruled by BNP. In 2009, again Sheikh Hasina won the elections, and next is 4 elections she won the elections. In that period, she again introduced the system quota, 30% for the freedom fighters and for their children and their grandchildren also she introduced. This quota system made several economic problems in the Bangladesh. In 2024 June, under the leadership of BNP, major protests were organized against Sheikh Hasina, and many students' organizations came against the Sheikh Hasina to the resignation of Sheikh Hasina. This quota system made the Bangladesh protest in our 2024.
Sir, what happened there in 2018?
In 2018, due to the high increased rate of unemployment, the students gathered together and made several protests against Sheikh Hasina. Many of them lost their lives due to these protests. After these protests, the High Court of Dhaka ordered that to decrease the quota system from 30% to 7%. These, for this reason, the protests came well, and the government ruled the Bangladesh.
Sir, who are the Razakars?
Razakars are the supporters of Pakistan in 1971. When 1971, the Razakars supported for the Pakistan members, and they supported every year for Pakistan, and the Sheikh Hasina banned their association and banned their from the elections. Due to this, they connected with BNP and made several protests against Sheikh Hasina and their party.
Okay, Siraj. Now, what is the reason? What is the current situation is going on Bangladesh now forever?
After the resignation of Sheikh Hasina, the Bangladesh have become calm. The protests have been stopped. A new chief minister have been appointed, Mr. Yusuf. The Nobel Prize winner Yusuf was appointed as the chief minister of Bangladesh last week. But some of the politicians have arguing that they have to change their flag and their national anthems. Also, they have trying to conduct elections after the 3 months. Let's see what will happen there in next months.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your valuable time with us.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.